Hello guys, good morning. It's your honey girl. Today is Wednesday, August 21, and tomorrow is my birthday, August 22. So time check, it's 7:25 a.m. and kanina pagpasok ko sa room, ako pa lang yung tao. So ayan, nag-CR muna ako para mag-retouch. So happy second week of classes!
Hey guys, so it's my first day today. It's Tuesday, August 15. And ako pa lang yung mag-isa dito sa room and I'm waiting for some of my friends. So ayan, see you later at 9 to 12 p.m. for risk disaster and management.